One of the best things about the iWalk is that it allows you to use the stairs safely. When ascending or descending stairs, always use the handrail. To go up, start with your good leg. Follow with the iWalk leg, going one step at a time. Then repeat. The recommended way to descend the stairs is to go down backwards. Start with your iWalk leg, followed by your good leg. Continue to descend one step at a time. An alternative method is to descend facing forward. This method only works if the handrail is on the opposite side of your iWalk leg. Start with your iWalk leg. You cannot go straight down the stairs because your injured foot may hit the uphill step. Instead, turn partially sideways before descending. This allows your injured foot to clear the uphill step. Follow with the good leg and continue descending. When walking up or down steep slopes, use the same technique as you would on stairs.